Hey everybody, welcome to the vibrant and ever-evolving world of social media. Let's talk about social media. It's a place where we can connect with friends and family, share our thoughts, and stay updated on the latest trends and news. It's like a giant virtual party. Imagine walking into a room filled with people from all over the world, each with their own stories and experiences to share. We connect with friends, share funny memes, and stay updated on everything. From the latest viral videos to important global events, social media keeps us in the loop. But just like any party, there are some do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Social media etiquette is crucial to ensure that our online interactions are positive and respectful. Think of it like this: you wouldn't show up to a party in your pajamas and start doing your taxes, would you? Just as we have social norms in real life, we need to follow certain guidelines online. Okay, maybe some of you would, but you get the point. It's all about understanding the context and behaving appropriately. Social media etiquette is all about being respectful, kind, and appropriate online. It's about treating others the way we want to be treated, even in the digital world. It's about putting your best digital foot forward. This means being mindful of what we post, how we interact with others, and the image we project online. Because, trust me, you never know who's watching. Your online presence can have a significant impact on your personal and professional life. Employers, colleagues, and even potential friends often look at our social media profiles to get a sense of who we are. So it's important to present ourselves in the best light possible. Use social media to build connections, share positivity, and support others. It's a powerful tool that can bring people together and create meaningful relationships. Social media is also a great platform for learning and growth. You can join communities, learn new skills, and stay informed about topics that interest you. However, it's important to be aware of the impact social media can have on our mental health and well-being. Balance is key. Make sure to take breaks and not let social media consume too much of your time. Remember to disconnect and enjoy the real world too. Social media is just one part of our lives, and it's important to maintain a healthy balance. So, go ahead and enjoy the world of social media, but don't forget to live in the moment and cherish the real-life connections you have. After all, the best moments are often the ones we experience firsthand, surrounded by the people we care about. Happy socializing. Here's the thing about social media. It's not just about you. It's about how you make others feel, and how you present yourself online can have a real impact on your life offline. Think about it. Potential employers, colleagues, even future dates might check out your social media profiles. It's like a little window into your personality and how you interact with the world. So before you hit that post button, ask yourself, is this something I'd be proud to have my grandma see? Just a thought. All right, let's talk about some common social media faux pas. We all use social media to connect, share, and express ourselves, but sometimes we make mistakes that can be quite embarrassing or even harmful. We've all been there, right? Whether it's posting something we regret or accidentally offending someone, these slip-ups are part of the learning curve. But hey, it's all about learning and growing. Each mistake is an opportunity to improve our online presence and interactions. One big one is oversharing. It's easy to get carried away and share too much information. It's great to be authentic, but nobody needs to see a play-by-play of your doctor's appointment. Oversharing can make others uncomfortable and can even put your privacy at risk. Keep it light. Keep it fun. Share moments that are engaging and interesting, but be mindful of your audience. Another common mistake is spamming. Imagine going to a party and someone just kept handing you flyers for their cat grooming business. Annoying, right? The same goes for social media. Constantly posting promotional content or flooding your followers' feeds can be a major turnoff. It's important to find a balance and not overwhelm your audience. And of course, let's not forget about negativity. The internet can be a breeding ground for negativity, but we don't have to contribute to it. Engaging in online arguments or leaving hurtful comments can damage relationships and create a toxic environment. It's crucial to think before you type and consider the impact of your words. Let's spread kindness, not hate. Use your platform to uplift others, share positive messages, and create a welcoming space for everyone. By being mindful of these common slip-ups, we can all enjoy a more positive and fulfilling social media experience. Be kind, it's contagious. So, how can we be more respectful online? In today's digital age, our interactions on social media and other online platforms are just as important as our face-to-face conversations. The internet can be a place of great positivity, but it can also be a breeding ground for negativity if we're not careful. It's actually easier than you think. Small actions can make a big difference. A simple thumbs up or a positive comment can brighten someone's day. First and foremost, treat others how you want to be treated. This golden rule applies online just as much as it does in real life. When you approach interactions with kindness and empathy, you set a positive tone for others to follow. Just like in the real world, a little kindness goes a long way. Think before you comment, before hitting that send button. Take a moment to consider the impact of your words. Are they constructive? Are they meant to uplift or tear down? Is what you're about to say helpful? Is it kind? These questions can guide you in making more thoughtful and respectful comments. If not, maybe hit the backspace button. It's okay to rethink and rephrase your message. Sometimes saying nothing at all is better than saying something hurtful. And remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's part of being human. When you see someone slip up, offer them grace and understanding. A little forgiveness can go a long way in building a supportive online community. If someone posts something embarrassing, maybe give them a heads up privately instead of blasting them in the comments. A private message can be a more considerate way to address the situation without causing public embarrassment. By taking these small steps, we can all contribute to a kinder, more positive online environment. Remember, kindness is contagious. When you spread it, others are likely to follow your lead. Different platforms, different vibes. Here's the thing about social media, it's not one size fits all. Different platforms have different vibes and unspoken rules. Think about it. You wouldn't wear a ball gown to a pool party, right? The same goes for social media. What flies on Twitter might not fly on LinkedIn. Take some time to observe the culture of each platform. What are people talking about? What's considered appropriate? Once you get a feel for it, you'll be good to go. Building a supportive online crew. One of the best things about social media is the sense of community it can foster. When we use it for good, it can be a powerful tool for connection and support. Follow people and pages that inspire you. Engage in conversations that interest you. Share your own thoughts and experiences, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Sharing your story can help others feel less alone. Plus, it's a great way to connect with like-minded people.